Now that we learned how surface bias work in add field, we would like to talk about thickness. So the first step is to choose an envelope. And now I go to add field. I select my thickness button here and then select my shape. Now, one trick I want to show you here is if you want to have different thickness in different side of your structure. For example, I want the below of this part here, this surface, has a thickness of, let's say, 2 millimeters. I select only this surface. Okay. And then I want here to have thickness, let's say 4 millimeters. It's a bit too high, but our shape is also big. Okay. The calculation is over, and now we can observe the results here shown as the thickness. Okay, very, very nice. All right, let's have a look. So here we have the thickness of 2 millimeters, and the more we go through top, we can clearly observe more thickness of the structure. So in this frame, it's clearly seen that in the right side we have less thickness, and in the left side we have more thickness. You observe a very clear transition also. This is one of the important goals that you can reach with a Spherene easily. Have a gradual transition between different thickness, between different density, and so on. See you in the next lesson.